YW fam, it's your girl Nia, and I am back with another video. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be doing my first wig install. Yes, look at my hair, it's in braids right now, so that's how you know I'm finna put a wig on it. This is for prom, y'all, so I cannot mess up. I cannot mess up because I have no backup. So okay, you see my braids, my mama did that, period. I'm gonna be applying a 13x6. It was 14 inches originally, but it was cut into like 8 inches because I wanted to go for an asymmetrical bob, wavy bob look. So now the first thing that I'm gonna do, mama is gonna crochet my braids together because, you know, they're too long to I don't want them to just stick out. So she did that, and I put sulfurate down my parts. So I am going to be doing the bald cap method, y'all. Yes, because I wanted to give scalp. You know, I don't want to just sit my wig on top of my head. This is prom. This is my senior prom. I'm playing with myself like that. So as you see, I'm slicking back the the perimeter of my hair. Wait, the black got to be, and I'm brushing it in. I did not apply enough. This step was basically a waste of time. So you see me doing that. And then I'm gonna blow dry it to make sure it locks in, you know. And this step was also a waste of time because nothing locked in. So yeah. And after that, I'm gonna put the wig cap on my head. Then I'm gonna put the ghost bond around it, the perimeter. Well, I'm gonna outline my hairline, and you'll see me rub that in and blow dry that as well. Now you see me taking a makeup sponge, and I'm basically using the makeup that I showed you guys, and I'm blending it into my hairline. Is that the right word? I guess. I'm not sure. It's basically going to give a scalp effect because when my wig is parted, it's a side part. And, you know, when you part your real hair, you see scalp. So that's the effect that I'm going for. But I think I did choose the makeup that was a little too dark. I don't know, but that's what you see me doing here. And then after that, I'm going to cut the wig cap. Basically cut off the excess part and just leave it that scalp. And I'm going to continue to blend to give that, you know, scalp effect. So at this point, you guys see me just pressing it with the hot comb. I'm pressing the hairline. Arrogant Tae stated that will give it a fresh perm look. And I'm also going to spray some Got To Be Glue freeze spray on it as well. And I tried to use his tips from his masterclass here and from the rest of the video. But, you know, you'll see where I messed up because this is my first time doing this. And I'm not the master as Arrogant Tae is. So, and I'm also going to just apologize in advance for the wig head. I know she's kind of scary looking. That's because mama got bored one day and she just decided to draw a face. And you see the brown spots, that's makeup from past wig things that my mama has done. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. And when I'm done pressing the hairline, you're going to see me put a little makeup under the lace and also a little bit on top of the lace. You don't want to overdo it here because it will mess up the whole install or just make it look a little weird when you start putting the glue on. And I think that's why mine was a little weird, but y'all will see that later on. Okay, now you see me cutting out the inside combs, y'all. Arrogant Tae said that he does that. Before I even did this method, when I used to wear wigs with the combs on the inside, I noticed that I get a headache. And it'll come from the combs sticking me. So if you get headaches with wigs, I suggest trying this step or doing it on a regular because it helped me a lot. And y'all know me, I always gotta do something wrong. So I ended up cutting a little too deep when I got to one of the combs. And I ended up having to switch scissors because I cut out a piece of hair. Well, a patch of hair. Y'all see, bro. Here I'm cutting the lace before installing it. That's also what Arrogant Tae did. But I'm leaving a little bit of lace on it. You'll see it when I put it on my head. Now it is time to melt. Okay, so as y'all can see, I don't know what's going on that right side. Don't ask me because I don't know what I did. But now you want to apply the glue, okay? Arrogant Tae did one side first and you apply the layers simultaneously. If you give it time to dry, it's not going to hold as good. So I'm basically tracing my hairline. I think I did 3 or 4 layers on each side, and you want to do, you know, one side at a time. And then, like, you know, spread it with the end of the rat tail comb. So I blow dried until the glue got tacky. I didn't want to wait until it got all the way dry. And make sure you apply the glue in a good spot, because wherever you put the glue down is where it's going to lay, is where the wig is going to stay. So you see me now mended it in with my comb, you know, pressing in the glue just so it could stay. Okay, so y'all, this step is optional. I'm doing baby hairs because I wanted baby hairs, even though I'm not the best at them. I still wanted to attempt them because I liked Arrogant Tae's method. After you see me put on the hair, I'm gonna hot comb it. So I'm basically training my hair to curl. So first you want to hot comb it, then you want to use a curling iron to curl the baby hairs. I know it sounds outrageous, but it helps. It really helps them stay. And after I'm done curling the baby hairs, I'm gonna trim them and basically style them to my liking, which took 10 years. But this is completely up to you. You can style them however you want to. I didn't want to be that extra with baby hairs. I didn't mean to be that extra with the baby hairs. I should have plucked them a little bit because they were a little on the heavy side. But it's whatever. It didn't look that bad when I got finished. Yeah, I'm back. Hold on, I can't even really see for real. Oh, the brightness is down. Okay. So this is hurting me, so I'm about to take it off. Y'all better book Miss Javon. Ooh, that hurts. And you remember it wasn't right here? I asked her if she can put some makeup and she did. I'm so happy. Okay, so here we go, here we go. Time for the reveal. What if it look bad? Y'all, this is our first time wearing lashes. I don't know how. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Dang, you ever have an occasion and you just break out right before the occasion? Literally me right now. But this side looks good. That's the side I was worried about. Because that's the side that's really going to be shown. Okay. Okay. Don't look that bad. Don't look that bad. Why did I do that? So what she gonna do, she gonna add some curls. And I'm gonna try to record that process for y'all. Okay? Cause yeah, the cut is asymmetrical and nothing's wrong with that, but I just was going for a, you know, is it called beach curls? Beach curl look, so yeah. Baby. All right. I do that. Okay. I'm gonna put this little piece under this piece because something was very weird. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, don't play with me. We're not gonna ever lift this side up though. All right. Yeah.
Now you need that long.
Don't forget to subscribe to the YNW fam. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Do that. So you can be a part of YNW fam. This right here. Good.
Rock me, baby.
Hey y'all, I'm back.
You can let that piece stay on.